All right, welcome back. It's David Amenitia here again. And if you click this video, it's because you want to find out how you can actually earn residual income, how you can actually create another stream of income outside of learning the skill set of actually learning how to trade in the largest financial market in the world. You want to find out how you can actually create residual income by sharing the information with other people. You know, that gentleman that we talked about in the very beginning, Robert Kiyosaki, he actually said this. He said the true definition of wealth is when your passive income exceeds your living expenses. Now, you and I know that we both have what? Living expenses. But guess what? Very few people have passive residual income. So let me first congratulate you on becoming a customer here with IML. But also, let me share with you how you can actually benefit by sharing the same information that you loved with other individuals and how you can create another stream, another massive stream of income for you and your family. And it all starts with the compensation plan that our company's actually put together. Every time you refer a customer to either the elite package or our starter package that you have, our company's going to pay you a fast start bonus. It's a team builder bonus. It'll be $50 or $35 depending on the package that they actually purchase. When you become a Platinum 600, Platinum 1000, it will open up the second and third level of these bonuses. And I'll share with you how you can actually get yourself to those levels. Now, the residual component to our compensation plan, in my opinion, is probably one of the best out there in the world today. Why? Because of its simplicity. When you go out right now and sponsor 3 customers, just 3, remember you got your 2 and free already when you got started as a customer. Sponsor 1 more customer, and now you've created a residual income of $150 every single month. You're a Platinum 150. Now, some people say, well, David, $150, that's not really a whole lot of money. Actually, it is. If you went to your bank, all right, and said, hey, listen, how much money would I need to have sitting in this account for you to actually pay me $150 every single month? They would tell you millions of dollars. Well, let me bring it home a little bit closer. If $150 is missing on your next paycheck, how many of you would recognize it was missing? Right? So $150 is a big deal. But look at this. When you help those 3 people do exactly what it is that you just did, now you have 12 customers in your business. You're a Platinum 600. You're now earning $600 per month in residual income. That's where you do something one time, but you get paid on it month after month after month after month after month for work that you did 6 months ago, a year ago. It's a powerful way to create massive income for you and your family. Guys, that's a $7,200 a year raise. Think about it. How many people in the workforce today got a $7,200 raise on their job last year? Little to none. 30 customers in your business, you're now a Platinum 1000. 12-12-6. Powerful, ladies and gentlemen. An additional $1,000 per month. Now, here's what's so amazing about this. You're learning the skill. You're learning how to multiply money in the largest financial market in the world. We've now created a simple compensation plan that can give you the cash flow that you could actually utilize. So you don't have to use the money from your job, use the money from your business. You can now use the commissions that you earn through building a network of other individuals just like you that say, you know what? I want to learn and earn. I don't want to do what I did with money the next 10 years, how I did it the last 10 years. Ladies and gentlemen, as you continue to grow, you become a Platinum 2000, 75 customers in your business, $2,000 a month residual income. Platinum 5,000, ladies and gentlemen. You're now earning an additional $5,000 per month in residual income. That's just 225 customers in your business. Now, if you really want to take this serious and you really want to hit a home run with this, you want to become a Chairman 10. When you become a chairman, it's because you have 500 customers in your business, ladies and gentlemen. And now your residual income is $2,500 per week. That's $10,000 per month. That's $120,000 per year just for 500 customers. Do you believe that in the next 12 to 18 months, if we work with you, if we coached you, mentored you, and you put a little bit of effort in and a whole lot of belief, do you believe that you can actually build a team with just 500 customers to create an additional $10,000 per month residual income? I believe you can. And matter of fact, I'm going to draw this out for you so you see how simple this is, because what we put together here is called teamwork. What if I told you that you wouldn't be responsible for all of the people in your organization? What if there was a way you could benefit from my efforts? What if there was a way you could benefit from the person that invited you onto this call, this video? What if there was a way for you to actually benefit from their efforts? I want to show you how that works right here with our compensation plan. You know, I just told you that I want to actually draw this out for you, how you can actually become a chairman. But let me show something powerful to you. Now, the person that invited you onto this call, I can tell you that they are a leader, okay? The person that invited you to watch this video, they are a leader. Now, they only have 3 teams that they're actually going to build. I want you to follow me on this, okay? And let's just say you saw the value in what it is that we have, and you decided that you were actually going to take one of these top 3 positions. Well, guess what? You're also going to have 3 positions to build as well. Now, remember, I told you it takes 12 customers to get to, what? $600 per month in residual income. Well, look at this. 4, 4, 4. What if I told you that iMarketsLive would count the customers that you enroll, will also count the customers that your customers enroll, right? And you say, well, why would my customers enroll customers? Because they want to get the service for free. But what if I told you that the person that invited you to watch this video, they could actually place 4 people below you, and it would still count towards your 12 customers. It would still count towards your $600 per month. Ladies and gentlemen, I was blown away when I saw that, because I said my personal efforts can actually help people win in this business. Look at this. If you said, I want to make a little bit more money, become a Platinum 1000, I told you it's 30 customers, but it's 12, 12, 6. We'll count the customers that you enroll. We'll count the customers that your customers enroll. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? The person invited you to watch this video, guess what? The company says we will actually count up to 12 people that they can actually place below you. So that would count towards your 30 customers, and that would still count towards your $1,000 per month. Same thing with Platinum 2000. Look at this, 75 customers in your business, you're now earning $2,000 per month in residual income. Those of you that know me know I love the whiteboard. I love drawing this out for people to really see how this really comes to life. 30, 30, 15. Guess what? The person invited you on, they can build a team of 30 customers, and that can be placed below you, and it still counts towards your 75 customers. It still counts towards your $2,000 per month. So what am I saying here? Quite possibly, you could only have to build a team of 45 people, 45 customers, and now you've created residual income. What does $2,000 a month do for your house right now? What does it do? For a lot of people, it does a whole lot. Platinum 5,000, 225 customers, 90, 90, 45. Guess what? You can build a team of 90 people below you, and it would still count. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a goal here. When we started this business, I'm going to share this with you. When we started this business, we set a goal that we were going to have 100 Chairman 10s and above in our organization in 18 months. And when we set the goal, at that time, iMarketsLive had 1 chairman in the company. Today, it's over 200. We have over 200 chairmans in the company today. Ladies and gentlemen, we hit that goal in less than 18 months. We've set a new goal for 2019, and we want you to be a part of it. Here's what's going to happen. 2019, this year, right here, we're actually going to build 200 brand new Chairman 10s and above. And we're actually going to do this by December 31st, 2019. It is absolutely done. How do you become a chairman? It's very, very simple. 500 customers in your business. So that's 200, 200, 100. Keep in mind, the person that invited you to watch this video, the people that you're going to be working with, they could actually build a team of 200 people below you, and that would still count towards your 500 customers. That would still count towards your $72,500 in volume. And that means it still counts to your residual income of $10,000 per month in residual income. Ladies and gentlemen, here's what's going to happen. 200 leaders times $72,500 in volume is $14.5 million in volume. That's going to pay out a little over $2 million per month. I tell people all the time, you help enough people get what they want out of life, you will have everything that you want out of life. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to get back with the person that invited you to watch this information. And I want you to let them know what you loved about it and that you're ready to actually get started. It's been a blessing to actually share this information with you. I know literally tens of thousands of people from all around the world are going to make a decision to be a part of what it is we're doing because they were able to actually see this information. We're on a mission right now to change the lives of many people around the world, specifically 1 million customers by 2020. We want you to be a part of that vision. We want you to be a part of something special, something that's bigger than yourself, something that can actually make a difference in the lives of other people. So I want to say congratulations to you. I look forward to seeing you at the top because once again, I know you truly deserve it. Good day and God bless.